Hi, I'm Liz, a home expert from Best Buy. Today, I'm going to talk about the Amazon Echo Show 15 and how it can help you manage your household. The Echo Show 15 is a smart display with a large 15.6-inch full HD display that looks like a picture frame. But it's more than just looks. You can actually use it as a picture frame for your digital photos. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you can use Amazon Photos to show pictures from your account. The Echo Show 15 is a great option for the kitchen because it's a central location that allows everyone in the house to use it. It can easily be mounted on a wall with the included bracket. This is usually done at eye level so it's easy to see and use, and depending on what you prefer, it can be positioned horizontally or vertically. Or, if you get the optional stand, you can simply place it on your countertop. For a personalized experience and to keep the family organized, each person can have their own user profile on the Echo Show 15. After a few simple setup steps, it will use the Visual ID feature to recognize faces and pull up calendar events and reminders specific to each person. Personalize the home screen with widgets that can give you quick access to information like your to-do or grocery lists, and you can even get a peek at the weather before you step out the door. The Echo Show 15 can act as a central hub for controlling your smart home functions. For example, if you have a video doorbell, like the Blink video doorbell set up at your front door, you can see who's at the door on the screen when the doorbell rings. The 1080p image from the doorbell comes in crystal clear. This is really convenient for when a friend makes an impromptu visit or a package is delivered. Let's say you have a camera, like the Blink Mini set up in your nursery. Just say, "Alexa, show me the nursery camera." Don't know what to make for dinner this week? You can ask Alexa for meal suggestions and add any ingredients you need for the recipes to your shopping list. "Alexa, what should I eat?" The Echo Show 15 not only entertains you in the kitchen with recipes, but you can use it as your kitchen TV and catch up on your favorite show while cooking or cleaning up. You can access Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hulu, and Sling TV, amongst others. You can even access the football game on Thursday night through Amazon Prime Video. And of course, we can't forget about music. The Echo Show 15 has Amazon Music and Spotify built in so you can have the best soundtrack ever for your cleaning session. To kick your listening up a notch, you can pair other Echo devices and ask Alexa to play your music everywhere. This can be perfect for when you're entertaining guests too. When you're away from home, the Echo Show 15 can still be useful. The built-in 5-megapixel camera can be used as a way to monitor your home. Just launch the Alexa app on your smartphone and you can see a live view of the camera in the Echo Show 15. This is a great feature if you want to check in on what's happening while you're away. Those are just a few ways the Amazon Echo Show 15 can be used to manage your household and simplify your life. In fact, it can make those everyday tasks just a little bit more fun. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you're ready to get started, visit a blue shirt in one of our stores or check out the options on bestbuy.com. Or use the link below to set up time with a Best Buy home expert, like me. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.